Hello, hello. Yeah, I feel like I'm properly caffeinated for this, but I think as soon as we start the puzzle, because I know the one we're going into was kind of hurting my brain last time. Um, hopefully it's gonna be okay. I need something stronger than caffeine if I'm dealing with HR. Oh, I mean, everyone does. That's when you spike your coffee. You guys will be fine. I expect your help with this, because I'm gonna need it, I think. Hi. Well, it looks like I don't have hair. There we go. Slightly better. Yeah, this will be fun. I forgot how janky this game is to set up too, so that was fun. It's broken? Oh, okay. Let me fix that real quick. Thank you. Who knows, I guess. Let's work on some other programming issues. We're not playing that game. We're playing this one. This, yeah, this level. This game is incredible. Can't believe how meta this first programming puzzle is. I know. Yeah, okay, so this one's gonna be interesting because if I remember correctly, it's like you take out some of the letters, like 3 or something, and then flip them? I think? I don't know. We'll figure it out. You're fired! Haha, just kidding, but I do have a note here from your other supervisor. She's out sick today, but she says it's time to eliminate inefficiencies. And that's it. Oh no, I'm wrong. It's this one. Oh god. So you've been fired? I know already. We just started. Although I think this is our 25th year, whatever level this is. Because each year is a level. Okay, so send everything from the inbox to the outbox unless you've seen the same value before. Discard any duplicates. So, we have these as our options. This is a comment. Oh, this is the what I was had going before. I forgot it saves. We've got all these on the floor that we can store values in. We've got kind of arrays, references at least. Okay, let's just play this and see what I had going on here. Step by step. Right? Because we want a 0 to reset. And we want something to increment. And then we wanted another one for... Why did we want another one? Oh, one for like placing each different value, I think, and then one for checking. At least the window is open. That's true. It's true. We get a really nice breeze. Robots definitely have not overtaken the city. This is not ash or anything. This is just like, you know, snow that's a different color. Okay, then we grab A, put it in the first slot, and then put it in there because we know it's the first time we've seen that value. Get another one. We have to compare it to the value of probably this one. At least it's not lemon flavored snow. Exactly. Shame it's not maple syrup flavored snow though. That's very good. Okay, checking the value of this. If it's 0, then it means they're the same value and we chuck it. I love that emote. That's great. Okay. So we know that we have to store that value first. Okay, so But if we store it and then check it, that doesn't make sense. Although I guess I can override it. Maple syrup is brown, I wouldn't trust the brown snow. That's true. That's very true. You know, you've got a very good point. Wait, okay, so we need to save a copy. Before we check it. So we need to copy to the value of this one, maybe? This one, this is gonna be a rough one to start off with. Oh my god. I knew this too. So I'd copy it to this one. Sorry. The value of that. Although, what I could do if I want like an extra step, I could use this square as just like a placeholder that we can overwrite. That might be better. This one. So we store this here and then compare, and then if it's the same, then we grab this, put it in the outbox, and then we do the same thing. But this time we can overwrite this. I think that makes sense. If it's 0, then we just grab a different one. If it's not, then we have to bump. Wait, why did I want 2? Why did I want 2 increments? Oh, for storage. Right, okay. If it's 0, we just get rid of it because it means we've seen it. If it's not, then we bump one up. That should be fine. Just jump above a double done. That sounds great. Easy, simple. What's this? Oh. And then we essentially have to check it to the value again, right? No, sorry. If we... Okay. Haven't seen it yet. We need to continue to increment it. Oh, that's not what I want. No, that's not what I want. No, copy to that. And then subtract from the value of this one. Okay, so if 0, put it in no, wait. If it's not 0, then put it in the copy from 11, put it in the outbox, and then copy to the value of that, and this one should be bumped up once. So that can be bumped up once. You know what would probably make this whole thing a lot easier? What? Tell me. Oh, really? Oh, you think that would make it easier? Okay. Sure, yeah, absolutely. You're totally right. Definitely won't make this annoying at all. It's been a long time since I've worn Panda Head. My goodness. I'm assuming there's some people that have like a lot of points, and so I'm kind of concerned that they haven't redeemed anything yet, including the Panda Head. Okay. Time to die of heat. And put a timer on for, what is it, 8 minutes or something? I can only redeem it a few more times? Oh, good. Hold on. Timer. Please. Okay. These are coding puzzles that I find really interesting, where it is very simple for a human to do it, but creating the logic for a program to do is harder than most people would think. Yeah, exactly. I can do 24 minutes? Oh, can you? Oh, good. Good for you. Yeah, and it's like, it's not even that bad, but you only have certain options, right? So it's like, it's harder. Especially there was another one that I think was flipping the ones you got. Like you got like a 4-letter word or something and you had to do it backwards. And it's not hard, but the commands that I had made it difficult. It's not like Taylor where I've got 260k points. Ah, the Canadian conversion rate, that's an even 46 minutes. It's a long time. Okay, we bump that up. We grab first letter, put it in the first spot, into the outbox, because we haven't seen it before. Grab another one. Store it in this space so that we just have it. Compare it to the value of this. If it's 0, which it is, we grab a different one and discard that. Good. 0, do the same thing. E, compare 2. So then we take this, put it in the, put it there. Okay, that's good. It's good. Find the outbox. Bump up 13. And we need to bump this up as well, do we not? Wait, okay, if it's... No, okay, so if it's 0, we need to bump this up. If it's not, then we need to put it down to 0 again. Or am I guess I'm thinking of that. Because this one's storing it, this one's checking it. Which means that checks have to go down to 0, and then this one has to be incremented. Okay, so stop this. Put it there, that's good, perfect. Panda soy, yeah, that's me. Gotta save up to 1 billion points to make Taylor return to DVD. Oh god, please don't do that. Okay, if it's 0, we bump up. If it's not 0, then we copy from... Copy to that value. That can be, this can be our last one. Copy this. Copy to that. Wait, what? No, that's not the thing. I said copy to. Wait, what? There we go. It's a little hard to see with this. Okay. So, grab one. Copy to here, because it's our placeholder. Check it from the value of this, which starting off should be 0. If it's 0, meaning that it's the same as this, we need to... Oh no, I had it right. Wait. If it's the same, yeah, we just start over again, so that doesn't make sense. If it's the same, start again. If it's not, we copy it and put it to the value of this, which is fine. And we put it not in the outbox yet, because it could be the same as this, so it needs to check. Oh god, head. I'm pretty sure I'm confusing myself. Okay, let's write some things. So this one is going to be check just so that we have some fancy little labels going. Store. Cool. That makes this lovely. We can also put comments. I know, I'm commenting my code. I love doing comments, okay? But I love doing fun comments, and I fear for the people that I work with in the future. Because they may run into comments that just don't make any sense. But hopefully they get a laugh out of it. I prefer to make people suffer. I wish I had a devil emote. I know, I need to get that made. But you know, the angel one works really well as well because then it's sarcastic. Okay, okay. Oh, thank God. Oh, I can breathe. Oh. Jesus. That's fun. I didn't realize there was an emote like that. That's kind of great. Okay, 0, throw it out. Fine, good. And then we grab it again. No. If it's not 0, so this one doesn't match, we have to grab a new copy because it gives us a value. And then we need to bump up this one. Do that first, because this also gives us a value back. So bump up this, and then and then grab a new copy. And then we need to do this, essentially this. Although I guess I can just like do another little loop, right? Jump. And if it's 0, start again. And then if it's not, keep checking. And then really that means it'll just go all the way to here. Because as soon as I reach here, it'll get to 0. So how do I end it before there? Should this be a countdown? We're just gonna get rid of this for now. How do I end this? How do I end the loop? I guess I can just not do a loop there. That doesn't really make sense. It makes more sense to do a loop though. Let's just see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. Why not? Oh, it's gonna hit here first. Because this will be 0. Devalue, you can't sub with an... Oh, yeah, of course. I wish there was an if empty. That would make this so much easier. You know what? I'm giving up on this one. We were stuck on this last time as well. I'm giving up. It's fine. Human resource machine. I don't know what year this is. 20... I think I said it was 25, right? No. 26? No. What year am I on? 35. Oh, we're a lot farther than I thought we were. Okay. 35. Okay, so I'm right about having 2 counters, indirect counters. One will indicate how many unique letters we've found so far, which is my store, essentially, and therefore which box to place new letters, yeah. Other indicate which of the previous letters we're testing against, okay. Every time we fetch a new letter, we will reset the value of the second number. Okay. Every time we fetch a new letter, we will reset the value of the second number. So, check. To the value of the first minus 1. In other words, we're placing the next letter in box 4. We want to start by comparing it against box 3. Important to note, as we work our way down the boxes instead of up. Because the particular tools you have available, jump if 0 and jump if negative, make it easier to tell when you're done counting down. So I should have been starting it here instead. Okay, well, let's do this. Let's open this up. Start again. Copy. But that means I'm getting rid of box 14. I'm getting rid of 0. Then what's the point of 0? I mean, I'll follow it and see how it works, but, you know. Copy. Oh, copy to the value of this. I see. And then a copy from the value of this. And then bump 13 down. And then go to inbox. Copy to the value of 14. Oh, subtract from 13. Or from the value of 13, rather. That makes significantly more sense. Jump of 0 to here. And then bump down 13. Value, yeah, 13. Jump of negative to this. And then jump to here. Okay. Well, I guess we'll see how that works. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wait. I see. I see my issue. I need... Or the thing I missed. There we go. I don't know if I would have figured it out to count down instead of up. Which is silly, but brain. Hey, Jimmo. Long game if you're playing still? Yeah. It's, I mean, there's, what, 40 levels, I think, in the main? Really, it's just how smart you are with it, right? If you get it, then you'll breeze through it. Well, maybe not breeze through it, but you'll get through it pretty quickly. But I guess I'm not... I don't think I'm terrible at it. It's just, you know, need more practice, I guess. Hi, how are you? You've been streaming a lot lately. How's that been going? If you beat it, you can put it on your resume? Yeah, exactly. I guess I need to do more logic games. And like programming games and stuff. That could be fun. Because, you know, I don't do it enough in my schooling, so... Ugh, beautiful. Clean. $16 instead of 17. Amazing. What? That's nuts. Cough, cough. Yes, it's getting a little drafty up here. A little bit. Facilities management has been notified. But we still have work to do. Of course, yes. It's been fun, but up and down as well. I feel like I'm still trying to find a genre of gaming that fits me. That's fair. Yeah, it can be tough. It's good to see you streaming, though. Tell me more. You might also call this technique of storing data a linked list. Oh, no. You can explore more about this fascinating subject when you're not at work. Achoo. Each pair on the floor contains data, the address of another one of the pairs. Data and this one. Data and this one. A scrambled chain! Each thing in the inbox is an address of one of the pairs. Outbox the data for that pair, and also the data in all the following pairs in the chain. The chain ends when you reach a negative address. Repeat until the inbox is empty. So, you're essentially making a word. Also, I can't help but notice that escape is one of the words that you spell. That's very encouraging. So 23 will go to this one. So we're going to make use of maybe this line. Pretty sure that secretary is 100% blind? Could be. Very well could be. Probably is. Very first, inbox. We're going to store this one. Copy to this one. And then we're going to copy from the value of this one. So in that case, that'll give me A. And then we're going to put that in the outbox. And then we are going to copy... Which can't copy the value from this from the other way around, can we? Well, okay, so if we bump up 5, that'll take us to this. And then can I copy the value of that? So if we copy from the value of that, does that work? Is that a thing that happens? Or does it have to be a letter? No, it doesn't. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna copy that to 5. And then we'll copy that from 5, and then we'll essentially loop. If negative. No, sorry. That doesn't make sense. Wait. We'll copy from 5. If negative, then we start over. Let's just see what happens. 23. A in outbox. Bump it up, which will give me the other one. Copy that. Oh, huh. That makes sense. Huh. If it's not negative, then we gotta jump to that, right? I mean, the only thing is this. I feel like I might have a flaw. Wait, okay, so maybe not. This might still work. I love that spells escape. That's great. Okay, so now after I copy this, it should tell me, hey, start over. I'm a genius! See how much easier this was compared to the other one? At least for me. So what else is it spelling? A P ape? Escape ape? I'm amazing! Is it the robot telling me to escape because I'm an ape? Ah. Ah. Heartbreaking. Let me see. I mean, I can change that to here. But I still have to do the copy. Whatever. I don't care. I just want to make it through. Oh, I guess there's 41, isn't there? Dot dot dot. Pawn to b6. Oh god. And check. And mate. Yes, I win again. I find the game is most enjoyable when playing against the best player I know. Myself. Tell me more. What is the secret to being a practically perfect person? Yes, I like to remember the 4 Ps. Proper, planning, prevents, problems. Yes, now we know. But it's all about the execution. Each number in the inbox is an address of a tile on the floor. Send to the outbox the coordinates of that tile. Column first, row second. For example, an address of 6 has the coordinates 2, 1. You may ask your boss for more examples. And it gives me a 0 and a 4 here. Why does it give me a 4? Inbox. I guess I can copy to... I went to visit a family, nobody's home. Nobody's home? Did you call first? I'm gonna drive home now. Hopefully you didn't drive too far. I like to keep them on their toes. Oh, I see. I see. Surprise visits. I wouldn't let you in if I got a surprise visit from someone, to be honest. So if I get 10, then I have to get 2 and 2. How the fuck do I get that? How the fuck do I... Wait, how do I do this? You have a key? Ah, okay. So going off here, if I need a value of 1 or 2, I'm gonna have to bump these up or down a number of times, though. How the fuck do I do this? I actually have no idea. If I was actually programming, I would be able to do that. Sure. Can I just say also, so last night I learned that the programming language Lua, the arrays in Lua start at 1 instead of 0, which is just the weirdest thing to me. And I don't understand why they do that. Do other programming languages start with, or have arrays that start with 0 instead? Or sorry, 1 instead? And it's like you can make an array with 0, starting at 0, like you can force it. but all the functions in Lua expect it to start with 1, so it would just get all fucky. That's so weird. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea how to do this. I could store it in a box, and then my one thought is like doing a check to see where it is, but I can't check against an empty slot. And that would take forever. Like, that'd be so many moves. It'd be so inefficient. But I can't check against null anyway, so that's moot. I think I might just check it out and look up the solution to this, because I'm actually like fully stuck. I don't know even where to start. Other than, you know, take one. Yeah, okay, we're learning today. That is what we're doing. We are learning. No, I did that one. 39, I think we're on, right? Oh, there's not even a explanation for this. It's literally just the fucking code. Wait, really? There's no strategy on it at all. It's just like, hey. Wait. No, that's not the right one. Recoordinator. $39, yeah. The last... Why are there 3? There's only 2 left. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try a different website. That doesn't really make sense. I don't want to make sure I get the right one. Year 39. Recoordinator. Okay, how do they do this? They... Copy from 14. Copy to 12. Why? Inbox. Subtract from 15. If negative, I'm gonna jump down. If not, we're gonna copy that number to 13. Bump up 12. Copy from 13. Jump to here. Add to 15. Outbox. Copy from here. Outbox. And jump to the beginning. Okay, I'm really curious to see how this actually works out. I didn't pay attention to where our initial number was. Was it 15? Wait. Okay, we're starting over. So 6. So that should be 2 and 1. Two and 1. How the fuck does that work? What? Okay. Okay, so one is acting as X and one's acting as Y coordinates, right? So this one is acting as X. This one Y? I don't like that one. That one hurts my head a little bit too much for right now. That one would take a while to understand, I think, for me. I don't know why, but it does. Check out this new office. It's new? We've really climbed the corporate ladder together. Thank you, my supervising skills truly are adequate. Your skills are pretty good too, whatever it is you do over there. So, are you ready? Tell me more. How do you sort? Don't ask me. Sometimes I eat the bread before I make my sandwich. Sometimes I put my shoes on before my socks. And I think I'm getting younger. What? I don't think I was ever a kid. Were you? What? Who is this guy? For each 0 terminated string in the inbox, sort the contents. Oh, why is this already here? For each 0 terminated string in the inbox, sort the contents of the string, smallest first, biggest last, and put the results in the outbox. Repeat for each string. What do they have so far? Copy from this to that. Did they really give me like a starting point? That's interesting. Bump that up to store it, I suppose. Okay. So they've got the storing part down for me already, which is interesting. If it's 0, then we want to switch everything. So we want to take copy from this and then bump down, essentially. Put it in there, right? So copy from the value of this. Put it in the outbox, and then bump this down, and then do I want to do if 0? No, we don't really need to, right? Because it'll just end here. Jump here. If this number gets to 0 though, then we go here. Or do we just go all the way to the beginning? Does that work? Because that would reset this. Could I put a bump down then? It, like, if it's 0, bump down? Does that work? Wait. Expected. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it backwards, but I needed. Oh my god, okay. Maybe I should actually remember instructions. I have to fucking sort them. Oh my god. Okay. We're getting rid of this. Is this gonna get rid of everything though? That's concerning. Okay, this was theirs, I think, right? Copy this to here. Grab an inbox. If 0, we skip things. Copy, if it's not, then copy to the location of this. So in this case, it would start here. And then bump this up. And then do it again until it reaches 0. Then once it reaches 0, we need to do some subtraction. Okay. So if it is 0, then we need to bump this down. Although I guess I don't really have to. Yes, I do. Bump that down. And then... do I need another counter, though? Or can I just use this? No, we should leave that as 0. We'll have to copy from... I do need another counter. So I'm copying from here, and I need to compare it to this. Um, I do, because I need one that's less than this current counter, right? Because I could bump this down, but it's going to give me the value of whatever this number is. So if I also copy to this one. So now I have 2 counters. One from storage, one for counting. Again. Or checking. So this one has to be one lower than that. So this can be this. Well, it doesn't have to be. I guess I can just stay at 0, right? And then when I'm checking, I can increment it up 1. But then when do I stop? So nope. This one. So it makes more sense to count down, because when it gets to a negative number, then we know to stop. Copy from that, and then subtract the value of this. Negative, that means it's smaller, and I'm smallest first, biggest last. So then I can, if it's negative, oh god. My mind's like, oh, just put a 3rd counter in. Because then you can store it here. I don't know if I want a 3rd counter. I mean, I guess I could use this. Will I ever have the same values? Why do I have letters? Do I put a third counter? Like, I can, I guess. I think I might be overthinking things again, but I could. So that I can store it from smallest to last, or biggest. Okay, let's step through. Okay. Oh, what happened here? Hold on. Okay. I guess I can just repeat if it's not until it is negative. Right? Hmm. Or I guess if it's no, that doesn't make sense. My thought is like, okay, if it is negative, uh, we can store it somewhere else. So like here, for example, in this row. And then if I'm having flashbacks to my previous program where it was just all jump loops. There were so many fucking loops. It was stupid. um Okay, so what if I just straight up switch them. Can I do that? So that if it's negative, then it goes into the other spot? So like copy to the value of 21. But I need to actually like switch it instead of overwriting it. So if let's do this. Okay, it's not negative. So in that case, we're gonna leave it where it is. And you can probably just jump back here, right? Because that'll just bump these down and start it over again. And that'll be negative. So then now I need to switch the two of them. So I can put, if I do copy from the value of 21, which is this one, and put it into the value of 20, which is this one. But we need to save that value so that I can put it in there. So that has to be put here or into like a blank spot and then copied to the other position. Okay, we can do this. This works, I think, right? And then we just have to do in outbox. Okay, so copy from let's just say the larger one and copy it to here. We're on the last level. And then copy from the value of this to the value of that. And copy from 5. And then yay! And then copy to the value of what, 21? Copy from 20. Should I be doing this the other way around? For putting it into the outbox though. So that I'm not running into an empty value here. Although I guess we can put 0 instead of this, we could put it we could still put it in the line, and then when we reach 0, then we know to stop putting values into the outbox. Okay, so if it's negative, that means it's smaller, so then we have to switch them. I think this makes sense here, but I need to have another loop. Oh god. That's a scary sentence. Another loop. That just continues. But not the inbox part. We need to check from here. Maybe here? Because if 20 gets to 0, let's see. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Because now it's in order. This is... No, it's not. Ha! That's funny. Oh, right, because I don't have it looping at all. Shit. have a third counter and maybe make it one more than 20, because that would help me check these. I guess when it goes this way, when these hit, these numbers, right? I can switch it so that this goes down to 0, because that's the current one that I'm at. This goes up to 1. That's doing like do I just have this backwards? I feel like I might just have this backward. Rather than going this way when I'm checking, I should go this way until I hit 0. Because if I go this way and I'm subtracting, if it's in the order I want it to be, the result should always be negative. Or 0. So if it's negative, then just continue on, and then if it's not, then do the switch. So in that case, once I've laid it all out, if it's 0, we want to turn these back into 0 and 1. So instead, this is, that can get rid of. We can copy from this to that. Because now this will be 0 and 1. And then we're copying from the value of this, so 0, this one, and subtracting from this. And then if it's negative, I'm gonna have to move these. If it's negative, we're gonna bump up both of them. We're just gonna ignore all of this for now. I know it's a mess. It'll be fixed. I swear. Okay. Although I guess I can just kind of, here, do this. For if it's not negative. This is long. Wait, 21 or 20? 21, right? And then jump to... where? Not there. Jump to... here? And we can put a little thing right here where it's if it's 0, then we skip all of this and put something into the outbox. But I'll get to that in a second. Okay. Good. Now we have to start checking. But we're going to start from the beginning here. So we're checking this one compared to that. Now we're switching them. Nope. We have to take the value of this. Okay, now I should be checking this with this one. Wait. No, that's right. Okay, good. This might be an issue. That's an issue. Because now it's just going to replace that. Shit! Okay, that's an issue. Where do I jump to? I guess I can do a check here. Maybe that's better. Which means, honestly, I can probably I can just move that, I think, can't I? To there. If it's 0, I kind of need to reset my counters though again, which is a little annoying because smallest first. I can do a jump for that though, to here, and then do another jump. Okay, actually hold on. If it's 0, we jump to here. No, that's a terrible idea. Never mind. I should not do that, because I'll just go through this entire process again. Okay. This code could be so much better, but whatever. If it works, it works, right? Okay, copy from here to here, and I don't need to reset another one. Copy to this. And then copy from the value of that outbox. And then if it's 0, then we start again. All the way up. That feels kind of convoluted, but you know what? It might work, and if it works, then we're golden. We know this part works. Okay, now we check these. Compare it. Good. And switch those values. Switch those values. It's not checking against the other ones, but you know, it might be okay. Is that gonna do... Oh dear. No, I haven't fixed it. I haven't fixed that. Okay, we're gonna add another little step here. Bump it up, copy from the value of 21. If that's 0, then we skip, because that will be this one. Otherwise, copy from 20 and then do that. That should be fine. Oh, yeah, I guess I don't have a loop to do that. To check that, do I? Okay. More loops. Outbox. First one. And then bump up this. And then do another little jump to here. No, I don't need that. I wonder if he's gonna be like, hey, it works for this set of stuff, but it won't with these other ones. Who knows? Oh, hold on. Yeah, no, that should be fine. And then it'll check that value, and if it's 0, we're just gonna start again. Awake. Yeah, here's my issue, right? It's not checking this. Because this is obviously not correct. Should I just make it so it continuously loops? I'm so close, but so far away. Because I can make it so it continues the loop again. But how do I exit it if I don't have this? What is this for? Whatever. I'm gonna put a little comment. Fun little comment right here. Switch. I love that it's tape. I love that. I think that's so fun. The thing is I need it to loop one more time to check if everything's negative or not. Again, I could have a third counter. I haven't put a third counter in yet, but I could. But really what I want is for it to just all be, if they're all negative. Okay, so maybe after I do a switch here, then I start again instead. Instead of like continuing. Or I just make it so it starts like from the beginning, right? So again, like set the counter back to 0, start again. Although I think I can just... See what happens. I mean, like, it's an extra step, but should be okay. So then it should start from here again. And if it's negative, we're just gonna straight up continue. And it's starting over again. Not very efficient, but it might work. I don't know what's going on there. There's a weird random extra step that doesn't really make any sense, but you know, we're leaving it. The hope is, right? I might have to change this 5 to a different one. Yeah, if I get a really long shit like that, that's not gonna work at all. That's gonna have to be from, like, down here, I think. Okay. Copy to, this one. 22. Let's go super fast. So I think this works now. Maybe. I don't know. This is the word we had trouble with before. I wonder if it'll want me to just discard similar ones. I don't know. I think I'm stuck in a loop here. What's happening? Hold on. What happened? Alright, because if it's negative and if it's 0, then it freaks out and doesn't know what to do. Okay. If it's 0, then I think we can just skip. I think I've got it. That's a lot of numbers. I'm really glad they have this speed up function. Because this is going to take a while. I apologize if you hear a lawnmower. My window's open. If you can, just let me know and I can shut my window. In fact, actually I will do that and just let this run. Hopefully it doesn't mind duplicates. I don't think it said anything about that. But like, I guess we'll find out. Man, I should make some tea. I'm out of coffee, but I'm kind of wanting tea. And I know, I'm out of coffee. It's crazy. Oh my god, this is gonna take fucking forever. I hope you like the sound of the game. Iterating through this many, many times. This code is so inefficient. This kind of feels like a good time for tea. No, it's fine. I'll wait. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. We're getting there, slowly, but we have a 16 that has to go near the beginning, so we're gonna be in this loop for a little bit longer. Hope this works. God, me too. I think it will. It should be fine. I don't think there are really any exceptions. So it's good. I think it'll be okay. There's so many loop clauses. I know there's like a random weird little extra unnecessary step around the switch, but whatever. Okay, this is good. It seems fine that I'm putting duplicates in, so that's really good. He doesn't seem to care. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We found an exception! God damn it! No, 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 no. No! Okay, hold on. Going back. Okay, so we go to 0. We put it there. If it's 0, skip. Oh, here. So if this is 0, we should just be skipping all the way down. All the way down to... Oh god, this is why you put comments in your code. Jesus. If it's 0, copy from the value of 20. Right? Oh shit, oh shit. Oh, thank God there's a undo button. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, big sigh. Okay, so copy to the value of 20. So the value of 20 will be that and if it's 0, was the 21 will be this still. So copy down to, sorry, not copy down to, jump to here? Why can't it give me just like the one instance I had before? It'll copy from 24 to 20, and then I'll take the value of 20, which will be 0. And if this value is 0, it'll go all the way up to the top, otherwise it'll put it into the outbox. Okay. It's funny because I noticed earlier about that little jump and I was like, what is that for? Why did I put that there? Okay, time to speed up. Wait. Oh, did I fuck that up? Oh no! It fucked it all up. No! The fatal flaw in my code. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. So... we have to keep this here. Otherwise it gets all fucked up. So... if you can do this, you can play Fire Emblem. I'm not playing Fire Emblem. What if I put it here? What if I put another if zero here? Jesus. Because this is another check from this value. Okay, we're gonna get down to that point. Okay, so now we're at this point, which is good, and it's just doing that, fine, copying that value, fuck. I almost want to do a check here instead, so that it checks the value one after. And if that's 0, then we skip all of this nonsense. Because I can't put it here, because I'll just run into the same issue again. But if I put a check before this, it'll check the next one. I'm doing it. I'm going crazy. Copy the value of 21. If that's 0, then we're gonna skip all of this. Down to here. So it's going to check to see if this one is 0. And then if it is, it's going to take the value of 20, which will be this one. And put that in the outbox. And then will this will be bumped up as well. And if this is not 0, then it'll still have to go through all of that anyway. Even if this is 0. Okay. I think this works? Maybe? Unless this got all fucked up again? Let's see. Okay. Now to go through the very long iteration. Okay. I'm gonna go turn my kettle on while this is happening. Because that's a long string of numbers right there. And I can see a 14 near the end of it that's gonna have to get switched. I'll be right back. Enjoy this sound. Thanks for the lick demo. Hold on. It's going crazy. Hopping in from some Fortnite. I hope Fortnite goes well. Hope you find a way to beat this game. I think I have found it. I think this is the last one. It just has to go through this fucking iteration. Oh no, what have I missed? Oh no, it's okay. Oh, thank God. It still has to deal with this shit too. Okay. I have water boiling right now for some tea. So I'm kind of trying to listen to the sound of the kettle as well. See which one is faster. I really hope that last one works. I'm gonna be so sad if it doesn't. Speed this up a little more. I'm not surprised that they made this a long one. I kind of want to look up to see what the more efficient version of this code is. But I feel like it would still be pretty long. But considering it's the last level, I wouldn't be surprised if it's just meant to be super long. Oh, I heard it. I'll be right back. How far is it? Okay, it still has to go through a couple more loops. I'm just gonna put it down to slow again so that I actually have enough time. Now speed it up a little. I'm curious about the, like, challenges to see what number they put. But I've got my tea now. It's so cold today. We had, like, a major windstorm and rainstorm last night. Surprisingly, I didn't lose power, although my lights did flicker a few different times. I think it's... No, I don't think it's stopped yet, but it's definitely calmed down, thankfully. But it's still cold. Got some wonderful chai tea, though, to warm me up. Okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth. I'm so nervous. Which is so silly. Checking to see if it's 0. Perfect. I fucking did it! What is it doing? Oh, thank God. I fucking did it. 34? Yeah, okay. 700 and... Oh my God. I think my code could be improved. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna take a look at the internet to see what they say for year 40. Now that I've solved it myself. Okay, and thankfully we can just open up a new little tab here. So, size challenge, speed challenge. We don't do like a regular one? That's not even the right year. 40 sorting floor. Oh, 41. 41? Okay. The bubble sort algorithm. Forgot about that. Okay. Here's a post from the discussion page on Steam. To those who aren't in the know, bubble sort is a sorting algorithm known for being really slow, like really slow, which is kind of what I did. When I first saw the sorting floor challenge, I knew it would be the sensible thing to do to create something more efficient than bubble sort. Anyway. This other person did it in 30 commands, but 1,392 steps, which is still like half of what I have. Oh, that's funny. 62 commands, but 563 steps. 538? Wait, what's the challenge for? This one. 714. And you can get it in 538? "24 commands, 676 steps." Okay, so show me the one that is like 500 and whatever steps. Okay, so they have... Why do they have comments? Okay, I mean, I'll bump up 24, bump up 24, bump up 24. What? Okay. Inbox. Copy to 9. Copy from 24. Oh, 21. And 20. Bump down 20. Copy from 22. Copy to 23. Bump up 23. And then inbox. If 0, we're gonna jump down to... It's D, okay. To copy to the value of 23. Okay, we're gonna skip. Go back up. Inbox 0, if not 0, I guess. Copy to the value of 20. Subtract from the value of 21. If negative, we're gonna jump here. To bump down 21 and 20. And then jump to here. Yeah, here. At 0, we jump to here, essentially. Copy from the value of 20. Subtract from the value of 22. Negative. I need to put labels on this shit. This is ridiculous. Copy from the value of 20, and then copy to the value of 23. Bump up 22, bump up 23. Yeah. And then jump to back up to D, which is way up here. Okay, and then nothing here, and then this is bump down 21, 20, and then jump to C. That's good. And then after that, copy from 22, copy to 19, copy from the value of 22, copy to the value of 23, bump up 21, wait, sorry, 22, copy from the value of 20, copy to the value of 19, bump down 23, bump down 23, and this is I. Okay, so just continue on. Copy from the value of 23. Sub from 20. Sorry, value of 20. Negative. Jump to B, which starts with this is A, and then bump 20 is the last one, so bump copy from 22, so here. I'm almost done this code, almost done it. Okay, and then jump up negative B, and then copy from 23, value of 23. To 19. Value of 19 rather. Copy from 20. Value of 20, I keep saying that and then I keep mixing myself up. Bump down 19. Bump down 23. Yeah, 23. And then jump to the start of this. And then copy to 23. Good. And then copy from value of 21. Outbox. There's a jump here, but I want to get this done first. Bump up 21. And another jump. Here. Okay, so there's a jump here. We have 0. Go all the way to the beginning. Not there though, here. I'm really confused about this part right here, but I guess we can try it and see what happens. Oh, yes, to put in the value of here. I guess? I don't know. Yeah. It's not checking for 0. You know what? Whatever. I don't care. We beat it. Who cares what the solution is for other people? Whatever. 2,000 plus steps. It still works. Let's watch the end of the game.
Congratulations. You've really become an invaluable instruction follower.
Yes, don't worry. Your job is safe. We've replaced you with this electric box.
It's called a computer. It iterates through a list of simple instructions called a program.
It has a small amount of memory to store data while processing, like tiles on the floor.
It has inputs.
And outputs.
Its simple instructions can be used together in
I do love that my supervisors have been replaced by robots.
A truly efficient worker that never sleeps.
It's going to change everything.
Please take your things and enjoy whatever it is you people do out there. Congratulations.
That's kind of great, actually. I love that. Let me move my mouse. I like that it ties everything together. Finally see what's happening on the outside. Never mind, I guess we don't. Just happily go into retirement 50 years later. Well, 41, I guess. That's so funny. What a game. Love the music. It's so fun. Oh, you can do it on Linux. That's neat. Really small team, actually. Like, a really small team. Wow. Most of the team was translators. That's crazy. Tomorrow Corporation. So, I hear there's a sequel. And I don't own it yet, because I think if I were to play the sequel, I would need a break. What are people saying about it? Oh, good, it's even harder. Awesome. So maybe this is a game we'll do in the future.